share the history of our own past. Because people drive by here every day and they don't realize the significance this place has had in the history of the state, the county, and the country. My name is Sean Boulder. I'm the director of SWAT operations, and I originally started working here about April 6, 1990. Between 1890 and 1900, they did a pair of surveys to build a railroad from Las Vegas to the mining towns, Nelson and Searchlight. Those railroads were never built, but the survey remained, and the name of the pass became Railroad Pass. In 1908, Professor Robert Hill found a mineral called alunite here in Railroad Pass. It was a known fact that wherever you find the mineral alunite, you find gold. It goes through everywhere but Railroad Pass. So they sank shafts in 1908 and 1915, so they never found it below. In 1931, they started building the dam, and this property was owned by John Johnson, and he went into partnership with F.G. Warren, who acquired one of the first gaming licenses in Clark County. The opening of Railroad Pass coincided with the beginning of the construction of Boulder Dam. This was the first place that somebody could stop to have a good time, dance, see the lounge acts, camp. With the construction of Boulder Dam came the workers. And there wasn't enough room for all the workers to live in Boulder City. We're talking 10,000 plus. Since there wasn't enough room in Boulder City for those workers to live, there was little tent cities that popped up throughout Railroad Pass. And they had all these children in Railroad Pass, but no school. So the state allocated enough money in 1932 to build a school in Railroad Pass. That school in particular was absorbed by Henderson in the 1940s. And the original high school for Henderson was named Railroad Pass High School. In 1932, Union Pacific Railroad built
this hotel
at Railroad Pass. The vault was used for payroll.
Yeah.
The Boulder Dam workers.
was built to give
The vault was
Hoover Dam construction workers a place to eat and
inside
play.
the vault, there is a carry safe. The vault
Really?
had to be constructed around the carry safe because the safe was actually too big to get in the vault. The number one state license was never issued. Number two and number three are long since closed. And Railroad Pass is number one. We are the longest continually licensed casino in the state. The Heritage Room is a place where people can come and see some historic photos, some historic memorabilia. I had the idea about 3 years ago to share the history of Railroad Pass. Because people drive by here every day and they don't realize the significance this place has had and the history of the state, the county, and even the country. My name is Sean Boulder. I'm the director of SWAT operations, and I originally started working at Railroad Pass April 6, 1990. Between 1890 and 1900, they did a pair of surveys to build a railroad from Las Vegas to the mining towns of Nelson and Searchlight. Those railroads were never built, but the survey remained, and the name of the pass became Railroad Pass. In 1908, Professor Robert Hill found a mineral called alunite here in Railroad Pass. It was a known fact that wherever you find the mineral alunite, you find gold. Holes through everywhere but Railroad Pass. So they sank shafts from 1908 to 1915. Really never found another load. In 1931, they started building the dam, and this property was owned by John Johnson, and he went into partnership with F.G. Warren, who acquired one of the first gaming licenses in Clark County. The opening of Railroad Pass coincided with the beginning of the construction of Boulder Dam. This was the first place that somebody could stop to have a good time, dance, see the lounge acts, and camp. With the construction of Boulder Dam came the workers. And there wasn't enough room for all of the workers in Boulder City. We're talking 10,000. Since there wasn't enough room in Boulder City for those workers to live, there were little tent cities that popped up throughout Railroad Pass. And all these children in Railroad Pass went to school. So the state allocated money in 1932 to build a school in Railroad Pass. That school in particular was absorbed by Henderson in the 1940s. And the original high school for Henderson was named Railroad Pass High School. In 1932, Union Pacific Railroad built a vault at Railroad Pass. The vault was used for payroll for Boulder Dam workers.
The picture says air conditioned 70 degrees.
Oh my god, that's funny.
And inside the vault, there is a carry safe. The vault had to be is a place where people can come and see some historic memorabilia.
There's so many of them spent all their paychecks from building the Hoover Dam.
Spent it all here gambling.
It's not surprising you how busy it was.
My name is Sean.
You're not wrong, I bet it happened.
I originally started working at Railroad Pass.
You work for free. Yeah.
Between 1890 and 1900, a pair of surveys to build a railroad from Las Vegas to the mining towns, Nelson and Searchlight. Those railroads were never built, but the survey remained, and the name of the pass became Railroad Pass.
Oh, the Coca-Cola is 35 cents.
Founded in the old house.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah. Oh my god. Top sirloin's $4.75.
When was that? I wasn't rating, so. I could go for some top sirloin red button.
The opening of the railroad pass coincided with the beginning of the construction. This was the first place that somebody could stop to have a good time dance to the lounge acts. And when the construction from the dam came to work, and there wasn't enough room for all the workers to live in Boulder City. We're talking 10,000 homes. Since there wasn't enough room in Boulder City for those workers to live, there was little tent cities that popped up throughout Railroad Pass. And they had all these children in Railroad Pass to go to school.
Heated swimming pool for health and pleasure.
That school in particular was absorbed by Henderson in the 1940s, and the original high school for Henderson was named Railroad Pass High School. In 1932, the Union Pacific Railroad built
No aeroplane, the British way as well.
the vault was used for payroll for weekend workers and railroad. The vault
Are you happy about that?
Easily accessible by road or aeroplane.
There is a carry safe. The vault had to be constructed around the carry safe because the safe was actually too big to get through. The number one state license was never issued. Number two and number three are long since closed, and railroad passes. We are the longest continually licensed casino in the state. The Heritage Room is a place where people can come and see some historic photos, some historic memorabilia. I had the idea about 3 years ago to share the history of Railroad Pass. Because people drive by here every day, and they don't realize the significance this place has had, and the history of the state, the county, and the area. My name is Sean Bolton. I'm the Director of Slot Operations, and I originally started working at Railroad Pass April 6, 1990. Between 1890 and 1900, a pair of surveys to build a railroad from Las Vegas to the mining towns, Nelson and Searchlight. Those railroads were never built, but the survey remained, and the name of the pass became Railroad Pass. In 1908, Professor Robert Hill found a mineral called alunite in Railroad Pass. It was a known fact that whenever you find a mineral alunite, it's uncoated, pulls through everywhere but Railroad Pass. So they sent shafts in 1908 and 1950, and those never found another load. In 1931, they started building the dam, and this property was owned by a gentleman named George Johnson. And we went into partnership with F.G. Warren, who acquired one of the first gaming licenses in the country. The opening of the Railroad Pass coincided with the beginning of the construction of Boulder Dam. This was the first place that somebody could stop to have a good time dance with the lounge acts. And with the construction of Boulder Dam, came the workers. And there wasn't enough room for all the workers to live in Boulder City. We were talking 10,000. Since there wasn't enough room in Boulder City for those workers to live, there was little tent cities that popped up throughout Railroad Pass. And all these children in Railroad Pass go to school. So the state allocated enough money in 1932 to build a school in Railroad Pass. That school